Welcome back to another video. Today we have the parking lot sale, the old parking lot sale that we used to have, and the Black Friday spring sale. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help us out by doing so. Yes, we're shopping at Harbor Freight. They got some deals going on. They do have the parking lot sales you guys see here. A lot of different items, a lot of new, this is the old parking lot sales that they used to have. A bunch of generators at the discounted price. So you got a 524 for this one. This one's big generator. This one's quiet. I believe this one's says rotate 374. These items are gonna 374.99 for this one. These items back in the day, they used to get lower every day. Like Friday they'll have like a 70% off, and then Sunday they'll have like 50% off. I don't know if they're gonna be doing this time. They should be. I asked one of the cashiers, and they told me that they didn't. That's all the price of what they were gonna have. But on the paper, the advertisement that they said, it does say that they're gonna lower the price. So who knows? I'll check tomorrow. I'll post a video. If the prices go down, I'll see if I can get anything. But it's worth it to just go and check tomorrow, or today actually, because I'm recording this on Friday. It's worth it to go check today, Saturday, as early as possible when they open the stores, so you guys will check the prices on these, because they're gonna have killer smoking deals. If they're gonna have that 75, 50% off and 25% off, definitely recommend it. There's a lot of great tools you guys could get. As you guys see, a bunch of generators. You got compressors. You got all kinds of stuff. Power tools. So definitely check out your Harbor Freight. As you can see right there, that's $299. And that's not the smallest generator. That's one of the bigger ones that they have. 4,300. They're probably gonna. I'm pretty sure they're gonna lower them in price. Check out this winch here, $449, and if they lower the price, it's gonna be killer deals on all these items. Yes, it is. Merchandise prices too low to advertise. They don't have that percentage off like they used to have before. But you know, and then they got the sander there, and then they got this camera here for $37.48. That's the sander right there. And the sander is $29.24. It's a Hercules sander. And then they got this fan. They got this drill here for $56.24. So it's a little lower. It's not the lowest price ever. But like I said, if they're gonna be doing $24.49 for that fan, but if they're gonna be doing that percentage off that they used to do back in the day, if you guys haven't watched those videos, make sure you guys watch them. I have a lot of videos from back when I started YouTube, from like 3 or 4 years ago, 3 years ago. So be sure to check it out. All right, they got this mower here for $219. This is just tool only. You have to buy the batteries. Remember, guys, the batteries here are cheaper than other brands. They're only $100, $109. So that's a plus about getting the Atlas tools in Harbor Freight, is that most of the tools, the power tools, they're great tools, but the batteries are cheaper than your name brand. So that's a plus of getting a power tool from Harbor Freight. You got the Bandland Winches, $289. That's a 9,000 pound truck SUV winch with remote control and auto brake. So you guys see, it's a really nice winch. Not as nice as the other one we saw earlier on the open box item. And then they got these compressors here, $99.99. It's a 6-gallon, 150 psi professional oil-free air compressor. And these prices are going to run to $411. So just keep that in mind. It's only for this weekend, so be sure to check it out. And they got this this jump starter. This is a really good jump starter, at least the one that I have, or my mom has. I actually gave it to my mom so she could, you know, if she needed to jump start her vehicle or something, she would have that. That thing still works. I tested it out the other day and it still works. That's crazy. Spring Black Friday heavy duty batteries, $199. I would definitely stay away from these. These are not the best batteries. Some of them leak. I don't know if they fixed the problem or not. So I don't know if you want to stay away from that. So Avanti, this is one of the better brands that they have for paint sprayers. $69.99. It's a HVOP handheld paint sprayer. I heard good things about these, so be sure to check them out. $129 for this one's portable HVOP paint sprayer. This one's a little bigger. It probably looks just like the one on the display there. I was just trying to find the better view for the tag there. Spring Black Friday. And then they got the wheel chocks. Definitely recommend these wheel chocks if you guys do your oil changes, your brake jobs. $4.99. Definitely check it out. I do have them. They work great. Good quality wheel chocks there. So, and then I got these microfibers. $99. 12 by 12 microfibers. Clean pack of 4. Those are it right there. They work great. They're not the best quality ever, but they do work. So if you're cleaning out your car. Then you got the multi-use transfer pump. $3.99 from $6.99. I believe I used mine a few years back, but I haven't used it again, so I couldn't tell you for the long run. They got the triple ball trailer hitch, $19.99. I wanted to get one of these for the truck there. Seems to be pretty good quality. You got 3-in-1 blower and vacuum and mulcher, $39.99. This is a great one. I used it before. The only bad part is that it is corded. Just keep that in mind. $44.99 for the blower. This is not the most powerful blower. This is for a smaller yard, so just keep that in mind too. They got the chainsaw here. This is I believe it's the 40 volts chainsaw for $99.99. I heard nothing but good reviews about these. Then they got this. This is 6 feet tall by 16 inches in depth. $34.99. It's a 5-tier storage rack. So definitely check it out. And they got this reel extension, or not the reel, but the mounts for the TVs, $9.99. And then they got this for $19.99. So 4-gallon backpack sprayer. Then guys, this is a great deal. This is one of my favorite tools from Harbor Freight. This is the breaker bar. It's only $15. It's a 25-inch, half-inch breaker bar. This thing is solid. It has awesome reviews. Nothing but great reviews on this thing. This thing's solid. If they compare this to the Snap-on. Definitely recommend. Every household, every garage needs to have a breaker bar from Harbor Freight. I can't say enough. So cheap and great quality. That's the generator there. And then they got this toolkit for $29.99. It's a 130-piece toolkit with the case. I do have this. The case is a little iffy, little cheap, on the cheap side. The tools are okay. This is mostly like a junkyard kit, or throw it in the truck and forget about it type of thing. If you need to lend it out, not out of a lot of money there. They got the magnets. If you guys haven't seen my magnet video, be sure to check it out. I do have a magnet video back when I started doing the YouTube thing. $1.99. Basically what I did is I put 2 magnets back to back and I screwed them together, and then you can hang up your screws, or your not your screws, but your screwdrivers and your pliers and stuff like that. I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, look at it. Just Toolhead 147 magnet hack. That's the title of the video. You got the 4-in-1 aluminum rafter angle square, $1.99. So if you need one for $2, there you go. Pretty cheap. And then they got this, guys. The rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jack, $89.99. Definitely check it out. All these jacks from Harbor Freight, they're solid as a rock. If you're willing to spend the extra money, I would definitely get the low profile, higher reach, longer reach. At the long run, it'll be just easier on you. And this deal runs from Friday 9 to 4/11. So then they got the creepers here for $22.99. I heard mixed reviews about these. Then again, I don't know if they fix the problems or not, but usually they said that the wheels break or something like that. So I have no idea if they fixed the problem or not. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys got the new creepers. I know the colors are really nice though. Green, blue, and some other color they have. Black, I believe. They got the oscillating tool there. It's corded. And they got these gloves. These gloves are nice. $4.99. They're not going to last forever, but you know what? They're really comfortable. So, I like them personally. They're really comfortable. And they're cheap too. So, $34.99 for this belt sander. It's a 7 amp 3x21 belt sander from Warrior. It's not this one. It's the one beside it to the right. I know I was looking at the prices trying to find the item, but that's the one. Or the Warrior Drill Master. That's one of the brands. Then I found this, the 3-piece hex shank socket driver set, $2.99. I always like to keep a few of these since I do a lot of, impact and impact drills and stuff like that. I always like to keep a lot of those. You got the 3/8 drill driver kit, $16.99. Then if you want the drill and the flashlight, you can pay $19.99 and get those. So this is a really cheap drill. This is for somebody that just does really basic stuff like around the house, maybe like a screw in a screw, or maybe a small hole, hang a picture frame, just something like that. Really simple. They got this miter saw stand, $49.99 from Warrior. And I believe it's just for the smaller miter saws. I don't think you can put a 12-inch. You got $169 for this pressure washer, 2000 psi. It does have a reel, so you can store your hose on the top. Then they got this reciprocating saw blades, 6 and 9 inches, from $11.99. So I never use these, so I couldn't tell you if they're good or not. I'm just telling you what's here. Now they got this circular saw, $32.99. Then again, I haven't used this either. So this is 7 1/4, 12 amp heavy duty circular saw. I guess if you need to cut something, obviously this is gonna work for a DIY, I think. $24.99 for the 5,400 lumen 4 feet linkable hanging shop lights. I would definitely recommend the lights from Harbor Freight. They are great, especially this brand Braun, solid. And that's the mechanics light there under the hood for $29.99. The only thing about that is the battery doesn't last long, but you can connect it and just leave it unconnected. You can use it as a corded light too. $29.99 for this light. I do recommend it. The battery doesn't last forever though, but I do recommend it. On low, it lasts for a long time, like a few hours. 175 lumen for this light. And they got another flip light there for a closet, or you got a dark space that maybe a small room or storage room. $199. And they got this disc, like a landscape light, $12.99. So solar discs lights. It's a 4-piece. I think you only get 2 lights, but they include 4 pieces in there. I don't know what they said for. $8.99 for this headlamp. The other day somebody was asking me for this light, but now it's on sale, so be sure to check it out and pick it up if that's the light you want to get. Quantum is a great brand, just to let you know. Quantum and Braun from Harbor Freight. It's a great brand. Anything that they make, it's really good quality. $12.80 or $12.99. This is a rechargeable pen light. Then they got this rope light, $7.99. I don't know the quality of this thing. I bought one way back in the day, and that thing never lit up. So $44.99 for this color lights. Now you got the solar light for $34.99. I bought solar lights from here before, and they're solid. They work really well. Then they got the Cobra 4-camera surveillance for $199, and then they got this alert system wireless security for $9.99. I heard it works really well. Then they got this breaker bar, or this pry bar, my bad, 4-piece, $9.99. So definitely check it out if you just want something cheap for the house. $10.99 for the ammo can. It's a 30.30 can. You got a welding helmet there, and then another one to the right, $134 and $44.99. So I guess just depends on the quality. Vulcan's the top tier for the welding stuff here at Harbor Freight. You got a 9-piece, $9.99. This is definitely, check it out. This is hex sockets, or hex tools. So definitely check them out. You always need that's the breaker bar I was telling you guys. This thing's great. It's shiny. It's really nice. Definitely check it out. These are great too. Definitely check out these out. $19.99 for the 13-piece deep impact, half an inch. Nothing but great reviews on these. These things are solid as a rock. Even professionals use these. Definitely recommend for the professional. Stainless steel shallow well pump, $139. I don't know nothing about these well pumps, but you can compare prices, I guess. Yeah, they got the new generators in stock, guys. This is one of the new ones. The little one here to the right. That's one of the new ones. It's 1400 to start and 1100 run watts. I think it's a really great generator for somebody that can't lift heavy. Maybe for the kids, for the wife, or for somebody that goes out camping and you can't carry a big generator like that, and you need something. It's not that powerful, but it is linkable. That's a 12 volts connector there, and it does have 2 prongs there, as you guys see, and it does have a USB and the parallel ports right there. Yeah, I was trying to get that in there. It's kind of weird how they did this, but yeah, those are the parallel ports, so you can put 2 of these together and make what is it, 2000 watts, or yeah, 2000 watts. And that's the way it looks on the side. So that's one of the new ones that just barely came out. And guys, that's the big one. That's one of the new ones that they have. This is the biggest thing I ever seen as a generators. This thing's a quiet generator. It's huge, heavy. It comes with 4 wheels and it comes with the handle. Basically, what would you would use something like this is for a shop or for a whole house generator. So definitely check it out. If you're onto the market of something like this thing's a beast, and it is a quiet generator. You know what? If you were it's hard to find a quiet generator on this size. It's just so crazy what Harbor Freight did with this generator. And yeah, $17.99 is the price, but it's 9,500 watt, and it's the inverter generator. So this is the top clean quality generator, and that's I believe it's a 220. That's the regular 120 outlets, and that's the RV. So yeah, definitely check it out. Look at how big this thing. I even put the cart next to it. The cart even looks small compared to this thing. It's just so funny how big is that. Anyways, let's look at the other generators here. This is the 9000. This is another new inverter generator. Remember, guys, inverter means that it's clean energy. If it doesn't say inverter, it's not clean. It's okay to use power tools and every now and then, but if you run an RV, or if you're gonna be running those electric computers, pretty much all the delicate electronics, they need to be inverter. This is another new one that they have. This is the smallest. This is the 1800, 1400 running, $279.99. And guys, don't get scared about these prices. Harbor Freight, you know how Harbor Freight is. They're gonna have coupons. They're gonna have sales. So these prices are gonna drop. At first they're gonna give you. Obviously, they're gonna give you the biggest price they're gonna show you. But anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.